Hey guys, it's Legend Killer here, and today I have another tutorial on Minecraft modding. Today we will be adding a crafting recipe and a smelting recipe for our block. So first what you're going to want to do is come up here under Mod Tutorial and add crafting, parentheses, and a semicolon, and then add smelting, parentheses, smelting, and semicolon. And then create some methods down here for them. So public void add crafting. Whoops. There we go. And public void add smelting. So once we have that, we can start adding a recipe. So first what you're going to want to do is do ModLoader dot add recipe. And so the first thing you enter here is new item stack with a capital I and a capital S, and then you do another set of parentheses inside. And so this is the stack that you're creating, so what you want to have as the result of the crafting recipe. So we're going to do new block, because that's the block we created, and after the you need a comma after that, and then how many you want to get out of it. So we'll just do, say, 10. So after go outside the parentheses, and after this comma, put new object and some square brackets, and then a space and a squiggly bracket, and then hit enter. So you'll come down to the next line. Whoops, spelled that wrong. There we go. So here, you're gonna need 3 sets of quotes with commas separating them, and each one of these is a line in the crafting bench. So this will be the first line. So we'll just do a full crafting grid to make our recipe. So 3 in the top line, 3 in the middle line, 3 in the bottom line. So after this last comma, you'll do character dot value of with a capital O, and then in parentheses you'll do a single quote, and then whatever character you used over here, and you'll do, so we used capital X, then you'll do an ending single quote, then another comma outside the parentheses, and you'll do, this is where you tell the game what that character represents. So we'll do block.dirt. And then to finish this off, we just come down here by the squiggly bracket and do parentheses and parentheses and a semicolon. Whoops. What the hell? Whatever. Ignore that. So once we have that, we've added a crafting recipe. We'll come down here to add smelting. So we'll do ModLoader dot add smelting, and then another parentheses, and we'll do what you want to smelt. So we're going to smelt new block dot block ID, and then you do a comma new item stack, just like we did up here, and then in parentheses you do what you want the result to be. So we'll do new ingot, and we'll do comma, and we'll get 1 out of smelting. And we're getting an error there because we have not created the new ingot yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Come down here below this, and you do public static item, capital I, item new ingot is equal to new item, and then for items all you need is the ID number. So we'll just do 1000 just to be safe. And we'll do set item name, and we'll just set it as new ingot, and set max stack size, and we'll just make it 64. And then end with a semicolon. So now we've created it. Whoops, capital A. So that's when we created it. We need to go up here and add the name to it. So ModLoader dot add name to new ingot. Oops, that's not new ingot. Ingot, and then we're gonna call it, in quotes, new ingot, and end with a semicolon. And we don't need to register it because it's not a block, but we do need to add a texture. So we'll do new ingot, and then for items you do dot icon index, and that is equal to ModLoader dot add override. And so for items you always do in quotes /GUI /items.png, because that's where the PNG for the items is. And we're going to replace it with /tutorial /new ingot.png, and end with that. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and created a ingot, colorful or whatever. So now all we have to do is go into, make sure that we save that, go into MCP. We're going to recompile and reobfuscate, and I'll be back when that's done. Okay guys, so we're back. Now that it's done, we're going to want to take our new ingot and put it into our tutorial folder, and put that into our Minecraft.jar. And then we'll come over to MCP, open our reob folder, Minecraft, and find the mod tutorial, and place it directly in there. Make sure you have ModLoader installed, because this is a ModLoader mod. We can close this. Hopefully we don't get any errors. We're good. Whoops, and create a new world. Hold on a sec. Whoop, glitching out there. Whoa, okay. Oh, I need to turn my video settings down. Lagging. Alright, there we go. So, first what we're going to do is get 9 pieces of dirt. And we're going to make a crafting bench. And so this should, yep, there we go. We got our new block. And I have actually forgot to install too many items, so I'll be back when I have that installed, and we will check out the smelting. Alright, so we're back, and I have too many items installed. And so let's get us a furnace and some fuel. Oops. And try and smelt our new block. It's almost done here, and there we go. We have our new ingot. So next time we will learn how to make a new tool and how to generate our block in the world. So I'll see you next time.